Welcome to my project bazaar.com. This is the title of our project, Attribute Based Data Sharing Scheme Revisited in Cloud Computing. Let's say about abstract. A ciphertext policy attribute based encryption. In this process, the data will be shared based on the attribute based permissions. By here, some group of peoples can for encryption purpose by using the encryption techniques. Here we are using CBAB, means ciphertext policy attribute based encryption. Based on the user attributes, we are encrypt the data. However, ciphertext policy attribute based encryption is limited to a potential security risk that is known as key escrow problem, whereby the secret key of user have to be issued by a trusted key authority. In this paper, we restrict or revisit attribute based data sharing scheme in order to solve the key escrow issue, but also improve the expressiveness of attribute so that the resulting scheme is more friendly to cloud computing application. Key sharing problem is overcome by the key will be generated based on the user attribute techniques. Attribute based data sharing scheme in order to solve the key escrow issue but also improve the expressiveness of attributes so that the resulting scheme is more friendly to cloud computing application. Moreover, we introduce the concept of attribute with weight being provided to enhance the expression of attribute, which can not only extend the expression from binary to arbitrary state. For example, if the user is sharing the data for the students or anybody, they initially use the secret key and a group. The group members will need to get the key for sharing the data. Means decrypt the data. The encrypted data will be displayed with the help of group member user ID and secret key. The encrypted data can be decrypted and it will be converted into original data. Then the users can utilize the record data. This is the flow of our process. Initially, the user login. If he is existing user, he can directly log in. Otherwise, the registration process will be shown like that. Here, for sharing the data or viewing, the user need to request key or the key will be going to the authority person and he validate whether it is validate or not, means authorized persons or unauthorized. If they are authorized, the key will be generated and shared with user. Then the data will be encrypted and the data will be shown to the upload to the cloud, and with the help of secret key the users can view the encrypted data and he can decrypt. The original text will be shown. This is our process demo. Here some descriptions about cloud service, data owner and the end users. This is the data owner part. Here the data sharing means the data owner, the person who called the data or who going to share the data. He is the data owner. He need to register with his name. Password, and they are providing some address and their contact number. The data owner, the new data owner registered successfully. They need to select their designation. Then name will be filtered dynamically, and they need to put their password. The data owner page will be like that. Here they can be the old uploaded data. The new data can be uploaded by clicking the new upload form. Here the person's detail will be shown like that. Now the data owner going to upload the required file for sharing the data. Now we can view the uploaded file. Yes, it uploaded successfully. Here the member details shown like that. And here the corresponding files and key file names, encrypted data is also shown like that. The data owner can add the group by giving the group ID, group name, and the group descriptions about. The existing group also viewed. Now we are going to see about the cloud service provider. CSP administrator, username and password like that. In the administration panel, all the data owner details and the file details also shown like that. Now we are going to see about end user. The data shared to users detail will be shown like that. Name, new user can register like that. Name, the user pick the group type, and the member ID will be auto generated, and put some address like that. Contact number. The person registered successfully. And password. Here the personal details like profile details shown like that, and shared data will be opened. Here member details, group details. Now the group data will be shown like that. The number of files and the file name will be shown like that by using file number. The user can view the text file like that. If the user member whether he is member or not. Depending on the sharing access, the file will be viewed like that, decrypted and viewed like that.
Thank you for listening.